Useful Excel lookup functions you need to know. VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP is a function in Excel that searches for a value in the first column of a range, a table, or array, and returns a corresponding value in the same row from a specified column. The V in VLOOKUP stands for vertical, indicating that it searches vertically, downward, in a table. To use it, type equals VLOOKUP. First, identify your lookup value. This is the value you want to find in the first column of your table. Second, determine the table array. This is the range of cells that contains the data you want to search through. Third, specify the column index number. This is the number of the column in the table from which to retrieve the value. VLOOKUP will only search the first column of the table range you specify, and it will always search from top to bottom. If you need to search horizontally or from right to left, consider using XLOOKUP function. This lookup function is a modern and flexible replacement for older functions like VLOOKUP. XLOOKUP supports approximate and exact matching, wildcards for partial matches, and lookups in vertical or horizontal ranges. To use it, just type XLOOKUP. First, identify your lookup value, the value you want to search for. Second, determine lookup array, the range containing the value to look up. Third, specify return array, the range containing the value to return. Unlike VLOOKUP, BEC forces the user to indicate the entire table array. XLOOKUP, in contrast, allows the lookup and return columns to be specified separately. This separation ensures exceptional flexibility. The lookup column can be positioned to the left or right of the return value column. Also, you can specify the value to return if lookup value is not found. If you are using an older version of Excel and you are looking for a lookup function that searches for the value in a row, use the HLOOKUP function. HLOOKUP stands for horizontal lookup. Compared to VLOOKUP that searches for the value in a column, this lookup searches for the value in a row. To use it, type HLOOKUP. Identify the lookup value. This is the value you want to search for in the top row of your table. Specify the table range. This is the range of cells that contains the data you want to search through. Determine the row index. This is the row number from which you want to retrieve a value.